Happy Wednesday, everyone. Okay, we are in the third day of our SCOTD week. So we've done Monday, Tuesday. We're halfway through this group this week. So we've got another 25 great signs here. A lot of first time, really early on sign carvers. Very impressive. So again, like I mentioned before, if you guys have anything that you want to keep track of, definitely take notes on the date on this so you can always go back and check it out. So these will run January 19th through February 13th. This year, actually, which is kind of cool. Anyway, all right, here we go. Jeff Callanan, one of his very first signs. And I know he's married to a lady named Lisa, so this might be for her. I don't know. It's a guess on my part. Great job, Jeff. Beautiful. That's our Western letters. I like the shape, too. Very nice. Jason Harrison. Oh, I should have written that a little bit better. Oh, excuse me. Jason Harmon. And this is carved from oak. So that sign...
It's kind of hard to see.
Yeah, it's kind of a long...
Got tree reflections there.
Yeah, it's kind of a long ways away, but he put epoxy on it. That obviously is a very big sign. I don't know how big it is. Jason didn't tell me, but that is really big. Anyway, great job, Jason. Hope that epoxy holds up outside for you.
It should.
Spiro. And I'm not even going to attempt his last name, but I've talked to Spiro many times. Huh?
Caradimos.
All right, there you go. Good job. What does that say, 15 by 15?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, beautiful sign. Beautiful. I love the grain in the board. Great job, Spiro. Very nice. Some painting going on there. Great job. Steve Bartlett. Oh, we just turned down the light. We have we got some new lighting, so we're kind of playing around, guys.
You're bending it. It's signs kind of, yeah, there you go.
Okay. All right, so Steve Bartlett. And again, here's one that they're doing, sending several pictures or several signs in one picture. If you guys want more than one showing up, make a collage. But great job, Steve. Nice signs. Nice variety there. Very nice. Mark Hendricks. So this is his first sign. This one's really, really special. This is for his cousin who's into casting. So he made the horns from aluminum. Used pallet wood and then carved the letters in pallet wood. But the overlay, I think he carved the skull as well. But the horns are actually cast out of aluminum. Really cool. Great idea. For a first sign, way impressive. João, I think is how you pronounce his name, from Portugal. First sign, second sign, and 16th sign. He found us in 2018, and he has been carving signs ever since. So look at the progression that he's come. I think this was his first one, his second one, and his 16th. Amazing progression. Great job. You're going to look at all the detail in that thing. Beautiful job. João? I think it's João. J-O-A-O. Silva. Great job. Beautiful. David Martin. David has been on Sign Carvers. Sorry, guys. Sign Carvers of the Day many, many times. So this is 5 different hardwoods laminated together. David is from Australia, if you're not familiar. Is an amazing sign maker. He really does some really cool stuff. Another great work. Great job, David. Jeff, this one just blows me away. Clone. I'm not sure how to pronounce your last name, Jeff. I'm sorry. But this sign really is cool. If you notice, if you get close, you can see the border around here. I just think it's amazing. Just really, really cool. Jeff, I imagine if you made these and showed them to people, you'd probably be making a bunch of them. Very, very cool. Mike Kuhn, second sign. So this one, obviously red, and I don't do this very often, make rounded corners with scallops, but it actually looks pretty cool. It gives it kind of a nice shape to it. Great job, Mike. For your second sign, you're doing awesome, man. Keep it up. Bert Graham from Canada is our Canuck. Anyway, Bert, terrific job, buddy. Looks really, really good.
Doing better.
Yeah, I hope Sharon's doing okay, and your daughter as well. Their daughter was in a car accident as well. I hope it's going well up there, Bert. Our prayers are with you, buddy. Anyway, great job on this sign, as always. Steve Amos.
How cute.
Very cool. And notice on the sides, I don't know if you can tell,
shells.
Shotgun shells, it looks like to me. Really neat. Great job, buddy. Love it, Steve.
Did it say first sign?
First sign, yeah. Very first sign. Pretty amazing for that detail for being a first sign. Absolutely. Robert Ogan. Gosh, I think I'm butchering these names. First sign. That's very ambitious for a first sign, Robert. Great job. Especially with that border on there. That's not easy to do.
I like that border.
Yeah, terrific work. Hope you're having fun, Robert. Keep it up, buddy. Paul Heelman. I think Paul's been on the Sign Carvers of the Day before. Really cool. There's a lot of work in there. But that's a great little silhouette of Jesus. I love it. Great job, buddy. Excellent. Helen Stewart. 11.5 by 29.
That's cool.
That's very cool. LSU Tigers national champions.
I actually went to LSU, years ago, back when they had the...
I think they're purple and yellow, the same
at
colors
the time,
as
they had the
Vikings.
tiger in a smaller area, and I think they've actually made it bigger now.
So is a live tiger? Is that what
live
you're saying?
tiger,
Oh, yeah, I've never been there. You
I went
travel.
with my cousin.
You're the traveling
I'm the
type.
traveling type.
Travel much more than me. Anyway, I don't get away from the shop very often. Somebody's got to do the work. Anyway, so Helen, great job. I'm just going to keep on moving. Great job on that. And the border on there, check out that border.
Awesome.
It's just really cool. Very, very cool. Pam Berry, one of our Friday night regulars.
Participants, yeah.
Yeah. Terrific job, Pam. For a first sign, excellent. Well done. Nice little angle grinder edge on there. Great job, Pam. Keep it up. Adam Smith, another LSU sign. But this is really cool. All of the games and the scores on there. Terrific job. I love it. Great job, Adam. I bet you could sell the heck out of those. Really nice. Will Hackler. This is for a friend's farm. I'm hoping that's coming out right. That is a lot of background. I like the way you did the texture in the background, almost like farming, like rows for planting stuff. Obviously, I'm not a farmer. Yeah, but I know a tractor when I see one. That's a great looking Massey Ferguson there. Great job, Will. Carlos, very first sign for a friend. Now, when I saw this, I was like, oh, is that right? This is for his friend, and his friend is a motorcycle patrolman, and Motor Pig is actually on his license plate. So it's a term of endearment, evidently, for his friend. So, when I saw it, I was like, is the law enforcement community going to be okay with that? But this was a gift for a friend of his, and so evidently his friend is absolutely thrilled with it. Okay. So that's what counts. So great job, Carlos, for a first sign. Awesome work. Beautiful. All right. Oops, gosh, I grabbed two. What do we got here?
Brenda Allison.
Brenda Allison, very first sign. Made this for her sister for a Christmas gift. For a first sign, look at the detail in that thing. Man, some of you first-time sign carvers are way beyond where I was a year, 2 years in. Great job, Brenda. Love it.
Board.
Roger Webb. These were made for a fundraiser for for teens at his church. What a great idea. Making signs, getting your work out there, doing it for a fundraiser for the church, for teens, probably summer camps or whatever. Terrific idea. I love that idea. Great job, Roger. Beautiful work. I'm sure you raise a lot of money for your church. Terrific. Stephen Hopple. First 3 signs, which is just astounding. Especially that top one. Being 16 by 48 for just 3 signs in. Amazing. Terrific work, Stephen. You obviously got a hand at this. Great job. Roy Smith. I talk to Roy on a regular basis.
I love that cedar.
I love that cedar. That just looks so cool. Taking live edge and making the layout kind of fit the shape of the board. Beautiful, beautiful work, Roy. Love it. Okay, Terry Eugene. So this is a 100-year-old piece of American chestnut. This is his 5th sign. So Terry obviously likes the flat background, and a lot of people do. A lot of people don't like the texture the way I do it, but that looks really cool. Very cool. I love it. Great job, Terry. Leonard Pagel. I hope I'm saying that right. So another first sign.
Says doorbell broken, yell ding dong really loud.
Very well said, Leonard. Sounds like something from the South. Love it. Great job, Leonard. And last but not least, Daniel Hockman. 2nd sign. This is actually for his father-in-law. So, father-in-law obviously...
Don't move it. I'm going to zoom in on that. Looks like a shotgun shell.
Yep. Obviously, his father-in-law is into shooting. Maybe he has his own gun shop, or maybe it's just a
reloading thing.
Yeah, maybe just in his garage or whatever. But great job, Daniel, for your 2nd sign. Again, a lot of great stuff here, guys. So, you guys that haven't tried it yet, let this be some encouragement to you. There's a lot of first sign cart. I get questions on a regular basis. How long does it take to get a hand at this, to be able to hold a line? And it's different for everybody. Some people struggle a little bit at the beginning, but there's a lot of people that within your 1st, 2nd, 3rd signs, you're making great signs. So, don't let that be a hindrance. Just make some sawdust. Do it, because you may be surprised. So anyway, guys, again, we'll do another video tomorrow, Thursday. Excuse me. And thanks again so much, guys. Keep sending these in. I'll keep doing these. I don't want to stop taking these pictures in, so that's why I'm doing this week and just crunching a bunch of them in here, because I want to show off your guys' work. There's some great stuff here. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. Click that little bell icon so you get notified when we do videos every week. This week it'll be 6 videos. Most of the times it's 4 videos. If there's anything we can answer for you, email me directly, eric@makeawoodsign.com. There's our website if you need supplies and such. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.